You see the clickbait, cheesiest burgers ever. It may not look like it now on the screen, but I finessed it because I'm nice like that, all right? Let's get straight into it. We got onions here, oh shit, I'm tired. That skit, it's crazy. Go check it out on TikTok, by the way. Hold on, Loki. Hold on, come here, I'm sorry. My son Loki right here, he's scared, I've been screaming. Let me get right. Just slice the onions, we're gonna saute them with butter and a little olive oil. Once it gets to a little color, season them with salt and pepper, toss them a bit, and keep stirring them until they get a little deep brown color like this. Add your jalapenos, saute the jalapenos till cooked, then you straight. Hold on, look, I'll put you down, don't worry about it. Next, in the pot, we got cheddar cheese, we got pepper jack, add them in the pot with a little milk. That's our marinade, cheese sauce, whatever you want to call it. Make sure when you do the cheese, leave it on low heat, because if you let it cool, that's just gonna turn into a rock. It's not gonna be movable, malleable, flexible, whatever you want to call it. It's just not gonna look right. It's just gonna look like a brick.
From the left. Yeah. So
keep it on low heat, stir occasionally, get that cheese melted. Now, for our little sauce right here, it's a kind of like a little, you know what I'm saying, little ketchup or mayo, John. So ketchup first, apple cider vinegar, a little brown sugar, my seasonings, which is salt, paprika. After the seasonings, mayo, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Mix it till it's nice and incorporated, put it aside. Now we have our patty. 80-20, 80% lean, 20% fat. Rip out the packet, make the balls with the patties, little fronts, balls, and then season. I season it with a little garlic salt and a little pepper. Now, it's time to cook these joints. As simple as it is. Grab a little cast iron skillet, make sure it's on high heat, add a little oil on that joint. Put the seasoned part down first. Let it sear for like 2 or 3 minutes. Smash it down hard so we can get an even crisp layer. Yes, I know it's not crispy on the screen. Get off my dick. Smash it, season the other side, flip it, and cook it off. Put it aside. Now, we got our buns. Toast the buns off. We straight. Now for the bacon. Cook the bacon on both sides. Do I have to teach you how to cook bacon? No. Now we got to assemble. The view right here is on TikTok. My dumb ass didn't order a lot, so I couldn't do it in the landscape way. I did it in the vertical way or whatever the phone way. Watch carefully. Buns first, sauce, pickles, then you got your patties, cheese on each patty. I put a patty down, add cheese. Put a patty down, add cheese. Put a patty down, add cheese. Make sure you get that cheese in that joint. Then we have the bacon on top, our caramelized onion and jalapenos. Put that on top, top bun, cross section. Look at the joint. Medium rare. Oh yeah, by the way, a word from our sponsors. You are hindering your full potential. There's a reason for your lack of progression in your fitness goals, and it's your diet. We want to help you personally. So we're giving you 14 days for free, and we're gonna guarantee weight loss, weight gain, whatever your goals may be. Join Crack These Meal Plans to get your deserved physique. We want to help you out, and we're confident that we'll get it done. We ask for your credentials, gender, weight, height, desired fitness goals if you want to lose weight or gain weight, your budget plan, and many more options. Our chefs are working around the clock to give you personalized meals. We analyze each ingredient. We look through each macronutrient just for you. It helped me in my younger days through 14 all the way till now. I look way better now than I did before. Every week, we give you new recipes, new video tutorials on each recipe, and we give you weekly assessments. We reach out to you to see if everything is going well. If you're enjoying the diet plan, to see your workout plans and give you advice onto your workout plans, different meal times to eat. We want to make sure we can get the best out of you with those weekly assessments. We can't wait to see you in the summer. Come get cracked. Try this out real quick. Ooh, perfect. Go!